You were seeing, student, that how Kezia's father was actually telling her that, just fondly, just jokingly, he was telling her that, when you look like that, you look like a brown owl. One day when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week and suggested she should make him a pin cushion for a gift out of a beautiful pieces of yellow silk. So one day what happens here, students, is that Kezia's grandmother is actually told her that your father's birthday is approaching, and she suggested her that she should make a pin cushion as a for her birthday gift for her father. What is the pin cushion? A cushion made of pins, by pinning the corners of all sides. A small cushion her grandmother suggested her to give her father as birthday present. Laboriously with a double cotton, the little girl stitched three sides. What one to fill it with? That was the question. But what to fill it with? That was the question. The grandmother was out in the garden, and she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. On the bed table, she discovered a great many sheets of fine paper, gathered them up, tore them into tiny pieces, and stuffed her case, then sewed up the fourth side. So how did Kezia try to make that pin cushion? On the advice, following the suggestion of her grandmother, she actually first did that. She took a double cotton from somewhere and she stitched the three sides of it, and she did not stitch the fourth corner of it because she wanted to fill it with something. Only then it would feel like a cushion, will feel like a pillow. Otherwise it would be like a piece of cloth, like a hanky. So she wanted to fill it with something, so she just searched here and there in the house that what she would find to fill that cushion that she had met. On that, the grandmother was actually out in the garden. She was not inside the home, and grandmother already warned Kezia not to go into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. So what did Kezia, and where did Kezia go? Kezia actually on the bed table she discovered a great many sheets of fine paper, but actually Kezia actually wandered into her mother's bedroom to find for scraps. What are the scraps? Scraps useless stuffs, इधर उधर की चीजें जो होती है, जो बेकार फेंकने वाली, जो कचरे में जाते हैं, that are actually known as scraps. So finding for scraps, she went into the mother's bedroom, and on the table beside the bed she found a great piece of paper, and she actually filled that paper inside her supposed cushion.